morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Thursday, October 2nd. The euro declined 0.06% against the US dollar and closed at 1.2622, after manufacturing the PMI in Germany deteriorated to 49.9 in September, lower than market expectations for a level of 50.3. In the US, the ISM Manufacturing Activity Index eased to 56.6 in September, lower than market expectations of a drop to 58.5, and compared to a reading of 59.0 in the prior month. The number of mortgage applications dropped 0.2% on a weekly basis in the week ended September 26th. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2603, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.2562. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.2667, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.2690. Trading trends in the euro today would be determined by the ECB's interest rate decision, scheduled later today. Meanwhile, investors will keep a close eye on the US international jobless claims scheduled to release ahead in the day. The British pound fell 0.14% against the US dollar and closed at 1.6192. The nation's manufacturing PMI unexpectedly eased to 51.6 in September, registering its slowest pace of expansion in 17 months, compared to market expectations of an advance to 52.7. In the previous month, the index recorded a revised level of 52.2. The pair is expected to find support at 1.6169, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.6120. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.6259, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.6300. Meanwhile, investors await Britain's construction PMI data for further cues. The US dollar weakened 0.51% against the Japanese yen and closed at 109.07. Earlier today, the Bank of Japan reported that the monetary base advanced 35.3% on a YoY basis in September, following a 40.5% increase registered in the previous month. The pair is expected to find support at 108.22, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 107.72. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 109.65, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 110.59. Trading trends in the yen today would be determined by Japan's services PMI, scheduled in the early hours tomorrow. The US dollar rose 0.16% against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9564. The Swiss franc closed ground after the Swiss PMI edged down to 50.4 in September, compared to previous month's level of 52.9, and against market expectations for a drop of 52. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9528, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.9509. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 0.9582, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9617. Amid now economic news from Switzerland today, investor sentiment would be governed by global macroeconomic news. That was it for today. Make sure you check out our new affiliate program. As an IB, you will not only be maximizing your growth potential, but you will also enhance your client network. The CommexFX Introducing Broker program is one of the most rewarding in the Forex industry. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day!